Yo, this is Nailah Blackman and you're watching Trini Jungle Juice. Somebody say soca till I die. Somebody say ping pong pong pong. It's like girls gone wild. I go get my grill on all day long. Not gonna leave you for nothing all day long. I'm gonna play for we popping ping pong 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 pong. Ping pong 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 pong. Ping pong 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 pong. Ping pong 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 pong.
Without a band, he just went right on and did his thing. Like, talk to me.
It feels amazing. I mean, this Bacchanal Jouvert was my first performance ever in Jamaica. First time coming to Jamaica, and I'm here again this year. So, I mean, in a different capacity, and it's just amazing to see the vibe of the people. I mean, they know my songs. I was so happy. I was just so full of life on stage.
You were singing like soca till I die, and they knew the words, like Jamaica.
Really.
For real.
Yeah.
So talk to us, like collaborations, what are you working on, where we go in 2018?
There's so many things happening for me right now. I'm touring, I'm working on music, and there's collaborations with African artists, with Spanish artists, and then there's just more soca. Just more soca, you know what I mean?
We're saying soca, we're talking a lot of dancehall kind of influences. If you were to categorize Nailah Blackman into a genre, what would be the first genre you put yourself in, or there's no genre to describe what you do? Like, what would you say?
I would definitely say it's soca.
Soca
spelled
first.
S-O-K-A-H. It's a new wave, yo.
Make your body, make your body, make your body, make your body, make your body do it for me. It's Drue. Nailah, bend your back and cock up when you're queen on the spot. Make me feel like you're ready to touch. You bring down the body, the waistline, and tell me I'm lifting it up. Show me all, put your hand on it. Turn around, start to rub on it. Cause in this position, there's no intermission. And she ball out. I can't get a body language like all night long.
Yo, this is your boy Ricardo, Drue, and let me tell you something. It's all about Bacchanal Jamaica, and Bacchanal Jamaica can't happen without Trini Jungle Juice. So make sure you keep it locked. It's Drue. Bang.
All day we drinking and we don't need no chaser. Coming out with system, I'm a professional drinker. All day we drinking and we don't need no chaser. Coming out with system, I'm a professional drinker. Yeah, I'm a professional drinker. That's right. Professional, for real. A drinker don't get drunk. What do you mean? Anytime I have alcohol, I just have a ball. And let me turn it up now. When rum gets in my anatomy, I just feel so alive. If drinking rum was a strategy, I don't strategize. And they say I could never control what I drink. That is all lie. Just look me in my eyes. I'm a professional.
We're in Jamaica, once again.
Yes, God is good.
How many years have you done? Have you graced the stage?
I think this is my 6th or 7th year in Jamaica.
For real?
Yeah. And I'm actually blessed to be here, man. And you know, every year I say it, it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
Yeah.
And to know that Jamaica is like a Carnival Central now.
Yeah.
It's pretty crazy.
I mean, since about 5 years ago, I've been preaching that it's my second best carnival after Trinidad.
Yeah.
Which makes it like the number one, because Trinidad didn't really count, we're just number one, right? But Jamaica like has something special.
Yeah.
And it's just getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger.
That's right. And people want to come to Jamaica. So you come to Jamaica, you enjoy Jamaica, and you get to enjoy Carnival. It's crazy. It's crazy.
Yeah. It is officially Carnival Friday in Jamaica. And that means one thing. Bacchanal Jamaica, Bacchanal Jouvert, Road March which means one thing. Road. Streets of Kingston. Drue, the Carnival Ref. This is Carnival in Jamaica 2018. And we're rolling with Bacchanal Jamaica. Jouvert, let's go.
Oh gosh, Jouvert money in a junk like a fish out on the road. I pull up on a bumper, start to post well cause I'm feeling good. She could be a doctor, could be a lawyer, could be a judge. All I know is Jouvert, and I in charge of Bam Bam. All I want to do is jam, jam, jam. Jump up the bumper, girl. Jam, and jam, jam. It's Jouvert money, girl. Jam, jam, jam. You wicked with the mind. Jam, jam, jam. Oh God.
Good morning. I have no idea what time it is, but I can tell you this. Jouvert on the road, Bacchanal Jouvert. It's almost done, but I am checking out. I am touched down, and I am taking off. Bacchanal Jouvert, Bacchanal Jamaica, 2018. Good morning, good evening, and good night. In case I don't see you again. Sunrise. It's almost upon us. You rolling? What did I just miss? What did I just miss? What did I just miss? Whoa! Happy birthday!
Yes!
And why are you not yet covered in paint? Happy birthday! What's going on?
Because it's my birthday and I have to pack some boxes so I can't be paid.
I have a change of clothes for you. So you can go get the stage and come back.
You going to get me
Okay,
paid
let me
too?
lift now, let me lift.
You going to get me?
We're going to the paint. Trini Jungle Juice, you gotta be ready. It's cheating, but it's not cheating. Jouvert!
Trini Jungle Juice.